Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to check Wi-Fi password on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our settings, and right here we have to choose Wi-Fi option. Now we have to click on this icon next to the Wi-Fi that we are connected to, and here we have to click share. Now we have to verify that's us by the fingerprint or password, and as you can see, password is right here. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!